Hey guys, so it's pretty much springtime here in Canada. Not sure what that means here. But I'd say it's a good time to get the electronic bike ready. Some parts have started showing up for the headlights. So what we're gonna do today is put this on. This is a buck regulator. This is just a cheap one here that I ordered off of eBay. And I don't know if you can see that there. It's an HRD 05003E. It just takes the 48 volts from my e-bike, from that battery there. If it would focus. There we go. And it's going to give me 12 volts out, so that I can put some LED headlights in here. So we got some of the parts in, just basically this, the switches. It's going to be a new headlight switch. It's going to be this one down here. This one's the original one. Something's wrong with the wiring harness, which is part of the reason. Hi, kitty. Which is part of the reason I'm doing this mod. Something happened and my regular bulbs are shorting out for some reason. Couldn't find any shorts anywhere to explain it, so I kind of think it's actually this switch, because this is what actually started smoking. I don't have time for all that, or patience, so I'm just going to give it a new switch. And under here we're going to add a kill switch. And that's about what we're going to do today. Yeah, I did not wire this, so don't judge. This here is the main plug. This plugs directly into the battery. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut it. And I gotta find my... I thought I had everything ready. But I didn't have my cheap wire snips ready. Or wire strippers, rather. Strip a little piece off there. This one's a lot more delicate by the looks of it, so I'm actually just gonna strip that like that. Oh, come on. So, with that done, that's pretty thin. I'm going to take a bit of this green wire I've got. Sorry, my throat's all choppy today. gonna strip a little piece of this. So all we're doing right this moment is we're going to test the kill switch. I'm gonna get this better. So, all this is going to sit in there. Don't want to take too much extra. So we'll go with there. Use this. Now for this switch, oh, my battery's gonna die in a few minutes. Come on, focus. I'm just gonna basically put this across the ground. Well, camera died. Anyway, so all we've done here is took the negative up to this side of the switch and then back down to the other side of the negative. So I grab my keys and I really need a new battery case, but I need a new battery, so and that is in the off position. Excellent. How are these batteries dead too? Camera's gonna die again. Okay. So the battery's plugged in. Hopefully we can at least test the kill switch for now. Nothing. So, flip the kill switch. Now we got power. So, what we're gonna do next is take this connection here and the positive and add wherever it went right under here. I couldn't see if it was behind the camera or in front of the camera. I'm behind it. So we're gonna add this. I've already shown you the label. I'm not going to sit here and try and focus. I'm out of battery. So I've already gone ahead, well, I've actually made a few modifications. There was a horrible bodge job down here. So I took that out. I put a jumper wire in. Come on. And then over here, they had a bodge resistor down here, so I took that out and put one in. And then I took the screw terminals off and put these on for testing. So what this does is it takes the 48 volts in, focus. Need a better camera. Let's go over here then. So it takes the 48 volts in. And then I haven't put an out wire yet. They share the ground. There's only 3 connections. It takes that 48 volts in and puts 12 volts out, which the LEDs that I've ordered will run 12 volts. Well, I've written it in here too. 48 in, 12 out. So I'm going to charge up the camera and we'll see you guys soon. Yeah, so I'm not sure my batteries are actually dying here. When I plug it into the computer, it's telling me my batteries are full. So, we're gonna try and keep going. We got more batteries over there charging up if we die. We've got the kill switch in. Just basically interrupted the ground there. What we're doing now is running the wire up for the actual converter here. ground and interrupted it. So why don't we actually test this first? Since I put these leads on here, the one thing we can do is pop this one over here on ground, pop this one over here on live, and then if we take the battery and plug it in, kill switch off, on, kill switch is working. So if we put our multimeter on 200 here, we're getting 52. If we take this lead and bring it over here to voltage out, we now get 12 volts. Already grabbed a hold of this. It's got capacitors that are gonna be charged for a few minutes, so I'm gonna carefully put this aside. So yeah, we've run these two wires up to the front. And now I'm just going to solder these onto here. And up here, I'm going to solder again the ground side to this switch right here. And to that. And then the headlights should be here in a few days, and we'll hook the headlights up to it. Alright, so we got most of the side closed back up. Gotta go get that other panel out of the other room there. We got our new 12-volt regulator hooked up. Screwed it in there temporarily for now. Still haven't put the 12-volt line on it yet. I've done some testing on it and everything. It's putting out the proper 12 volts. So, and the ground line here goes over to the switch. That one down there, not that one. Okay. So what we've done today is add this toggle switch. Which isn't supposed to let the bike fire up. Flip the switch. Kill the switch. That's kind of interesting. Get my dead battery light come on now. Have to investigate that. It's probably just the capacitors discharging. So it gets a really low voltage and doesn't know what to do with it, or low current. At least they're not discharging into my hand again. Anyway, so next time, which will be whenever my LEDs show up and the drivers for them, we're going to wire up the headlights and a single tail light. Apparently my cat was outside. Great. So headlights and a single tail light. Great. So we got for the tail light. Headlight setups over there. And that's pretty much it. It's not the prettiest thing, but it gets me around. And it's a fun project. Kitty likes it. Kitty. See you later.